The Alice Grid widget is an identical twin of the Aries Carousel widget due to its content delivery style. On the layout section, you will find 3 different layout styles for the grid. You can adjust both the column gap and item height by the scroll bars. Note that the second style has got both primary and secondary item height options. On query, you can select the source of the display items from post. There are options for choosing specific category, tag or format also. The additional section has a bunch of switchers. Turning them on or off will show or hide titles, categories, authors from the posts. One more thing, there are more than this widget can offer. In the Style tab, there are a large number of customizing options to bring out the beauty of your blog post. Go ahead and play with them yourself. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and stay with us. Thanks for watching.